children.
Hello, dear children. Today I will tell you about websites. These are places on the internet where you can find various information, games, and even videos. For them to work, computers and proper instructions written by programmers are needed. By a large tree, a little sparrow asked the puppy if websites are just pictures on a screen. The puppy replied that it was probably something that needed to be programmed, but he did not know exactly how. I explained to them that websites are sets of information written in a special language, like hypertext markup language. The puppy promised to check this on his computer, and the sparrow decided to pay closer attention to the websites on the internet. At the playground, the little rat and the parakeet were talking about how websites know what to show. The little rat suggested that maybe everything is saved on his phone, but the parakeet said there must be something bigger that controls it. I explained to them that websites are stored on servers, which are special computers that send the data of those websites upon request, meaning when someone visits them. The parakeet wrote this down in her notebook, and the little rat said it was very interesting. On the meadow, the guinea pig and the little frog were resting. I asked them what features a good website should have. The guinea pig said it should work quickly and be easy to use. The little frog added that it should look good on different devices. I praised them for their correct answers and explained that such features are very important because they help users navigate the website without problems. They both looked very pleased with this knowledge. In summary, websites are collections of information that we can see on the screen thanks to proper instructions written in special languages. They are stored on servers, and their most important features are speed, ease of use, and adaptability to different devices. I hope you now know more about how websites work. See you next time, children.